Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today's taste test I got in Iceland for half price, so sticker action. One is a ham and cheese slice and one is I think it's a chicken. I'm not sure if this is. Yeah, one is a chicken and mushroom. So there's all the ingredients and nutritional information on that one. And there's the nutritional allergens and, or should I say ingredients, that's the nutrition meal. So I'm going to put these in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Now I know what the date says, but I actually froze these and took them out to defrost them. So here we go. Now there they are in the air fryer, and now I want to air fry them. So that's them cooked. I've cut them open, as you can see, and let them cool down a small bit. So there's the chicken and mushroom one. And there's the cheese and ham one. Now I want to give them both a taste test, so we'll try the chicken one first. Actually, that one's quite nice. That one's quite nice one. There's a lot of flavour in that one. Now we'll try the ham and cheese. Not bad. I prefer this one, the chicken and mushroom. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you like my content, please give me a like. Please comment down in the comment section. Please click the notification bell and subscribe. Very much appreciate everyone that watches me. Until the next video, goodbye.